Welcome to Singapore, where things are made a little unexpected.
I have always viewed Singapore as a city built on flows.
It has access to the Straits of Malacca, to the Indian Ocean, to the South China Sea, which makes it a pivotal shipping hub.
Ideas flow between cultures. Capital flows between markets.
Good morning, Singapore Tower. Really glad to be home.
I think in Singapore, it's quite easy to kind of plug in and feel like you're part of society, right?
I feel a part of Singapore.
The thing I like the most is that everything here is designed with intention and is carried out with precision.
I'm in an environment that I can call it home.